up major, so we're gonna try to get that. We're gonna start 2 cents, $2 bet. Let's see if we can get it. Love to get a bonus on here. Please keep going. Oof, almost at both. 3 more. 1 more. Oh my gosh. Tease, tease, tease. Does this stress you guys out when you're sitting here watching this? Almost hit. Oh, we're doing 2 cents, $1 bet. That's what I have. We'll do between 1 and 2. This one seems to be hitting, so I'm going to stay here for now. 250. Alright. 3 more. They're coming out a lot. I like that. Get some great points. So I think this is the bet. Let's get a triple major and see how that goes. Wow. There's some great hits. There we go. It's a little bit better, right? Missed that mark a little bit. So far, I mean, it's actually, oh, one more. Oh, come on. At least this is giving us some playback. There we go. This is great. I'm loving it. Oh, come on. One more. Oh, teasing me so much. And get a bonus, please. And if not, hit the 6 trophies, please. Come on, don't go dead on me now. You were doing so good in the beginning. Let's try $2. I'm going to go in between 1 and 2. Come on. Nice to get next. I mean, we're getting 2, 3 more. Oh, come on. Ooh. We had a lot of 4 of a kinds. I mean, this is doing pretty good. This is good. Oh, 1 more. Yikes. It's teasing hard. 1 more. Gosh. That's good. Alright, $5. 4 more. How's everybody doing? Did you have a good day? Are you having a nice weekend? Like, what's going on? What do you want to see me play? Let me know what games you like and what you want to see me play. I'm trying to do a different variety. Oh, that's it. There we go. Come on, baby. Let's get a bonus. Come on, 4 more. 1 more. Ooh, come on. Triple major. Those are 20 each. Oh, come on. So the mini is 20, the minor is 100. Major's maxed out at 1,000, and this grand is pretty high. It's at 17,000, and that's really high. When I hit it, it was 15,900. So this is pretty high, and I bet it will hit soon. Come on, baby. Let's get a bonus game. Oh yeah, those cars. They're coming in, but they just won't give it to me. That last one. I need the third one. Oh, there you go. One more. Four more. Let's go to $1. We'll go back and forth between $1 and $2. Come on, baby. Four more. Come on, let's get a bonus game. Come on, one more. Oh, come on. Being rude. Good hit. $10. Look at that one. That was a good one. Come on. Let's get a bonus game. Bonus yet. Oof. 20 major would have been $40 right away. Or, sorry, double mini. Double major would be $2,000. Alright. Go between $1 and $2. Oh, come on, four more. Look at, there's a minor for 100. That's not $1 bet too. Ooh, four more? Oh, three more. Three more. Come on, baby. Two more. Oh. I'm gonna stick with $. $. seems to be the one that's kind of hitting more of those bonus games. Change it up. Come on, baby. Come on. Oh, come on. Well. Oh, there we go. We can get a spin on our last one. Alright, a couple more. It's keeping us alive. 3 more spins. Come on. It's giving us some money back. 3 more. Oh, I thought we were going to get it, guys. Oh. One more. Shoot. Last spin. Alright. Well, at least we got the lucky chance spin, but anything? Nothing. See you guys in a little bit if I get anything else.